Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Long's Learning Channel. We were doing a thing on theme for books this week. You're supposed to be doing some stop and jots for theme if you're in my class. And I just want to talk a little bit about what theme can be and what theme may not be. Now, just a couple of things. Theme should be like the overall big idea of a book. Some of you guys, whenever you're doing your stop and jots, you're writing a theme down for each day, which is fine. So you can see that maybe a different paragraph or a couple of paragraphs have one theme. Maybe a chapter might have a theme, but you got to start looking at, so then what's the overall theme of the book? Now, if you're reading a small book, if you're reading a small book like this one right here, A Color of His Own, now this book is probably only going to have one theme to it. All right. It's an overall theme. So the overall theme for this book, A Color of His Own, all right, is going to be friendship. Now, when you go through this book, you're going to see that, he keeps changing colors. So if you're not careful, you might even pick out, well, a simple theme is being able to fit into your surroundings. But the reality of it is the theme of that book is friendship. So you got to start kind of looking at the overall big idea. Now, here's a little bit harder of a book. You say, well, here's Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dog Days, all right? And you start thinking about the theme. Well, one, it's a journal of his summer. So if you start looking at this, you might say, well, the theme is my summer vacation. Well, that's not a theme. Remember, themes are big ideas, courage, honesty, things like that. Now, in Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dog Days, you got to look deep into this because, again, you might say, well, the theme is my summer vacation. That's not a theme. That's what the story is. So the theme of Diary of a Wimpy Kid overall would be family. This book, if you're reading it carefully, it takes you through and shows you how Greg interacts with all of his family members, how he respects his dad, how he looks at his mom, how he interacts with each one of his brothers and his feelings about that. So whenever you're thinking about theme, you got to start thinking big idea. A lot of you guys, you're writing, well, the theme that I read today was friendship. Okay. The thing that I read today was courage. Right. But you read a whole chapter. Okay. But now you got to start putting those chapters together. What's the overall theme of the book? Is it courage? Is it honesty? Is it overcoming evil? Things like that. So whenever you're looking at theme, that's what you need to be thinking about. So keep those stop and jots going. Actually, they're supposed to be due today, so you can do your response letter. But if you haven't done that, keep working on it. But think about overall theme of the book. Look at your chart that I provided you in Teams and in your class notebook. All right, guys, y'all keep working, stay connected. See you here in a little bit. Thanks. Bye.